Have you ever dreamt of going to space? Well, for some, that reality is about to become true in 2021. Hi friends, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all about space. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jason, and I used to work for HSBC Bank as a banker before I left my career and went traveling around the world to over 100 different countries. Now I spend all of my time investing in the stock market in hopes to inspire your awareness and create financial freedom for yourself, just like I have simply through investing. Investing has never been made easier for any of us. We can do it online, at home, and for free. Be smarter with your money in 2021 and let your money work for you. Make money while you sleep, because it has never been easier. I can't wait to dive into this video today because we are going to be talking about the stock of Virgin Galactic, ticker symbol SPCE, as I believe this is a stock with 10x potential in the coming decade. All I ask in return for me making this content for you is that you please give this video a thumbs up by smashing the like button below and subscribing to this channel for future content just like this. It's free and it really does help out with the channel, and you'll never miss an episode. Who are Virgin Galactic and what do they do? Well, Virgin Galactic was made public and founded in 2004 by none other than the British billionaire and thrill seeker Sir Richard Branson, who promised to make a privately developed spacecraft that would make it possible for hundreds of people to become astronauts, no NASA training required. And if a 2,500 mile/hour ride to the edge of space sounded off-putting, Branson also pledged to take the journey himself before letting paying customers on board. To put it simply, Virgin Galactic are looking to commercialize spaceflight tourism through their new generation of space vehicles. And if a trip to the moon didn't excite you enough, well, the cost for one of these tickets is approximately £250,000. The company already has 900 participants, such as Justin Bieber and Leonardo DiCaprio, ready and waiting to get their tickets. And amongst their interest and research into the science of space, they also are developing supersonic flight. So imagine being able to take a flight from London to New York in approximately 1.5 hours, at 1/10 of the time it would take you right now if you were going to go on a flight, say, to British Airways from London Heathrow to New York. Well, this may all soon be a reality thanks to Virgin Galactic, and although some people are skeptical about this company and what they can achieve, I do believe that this company are setting an unprecedented level of entry to continue smashing out the future decade ahead and making supersonic flight an absolute game changer. Virgin Galactic announced recently that Branson's departure plans to take off to his space mission to show the world just how amazing this opportunity is would happen in the first quarter of this year, 2021. Now, whether this gets delayed due to the Rona or there's engineering problems, we will have to wait to find out. But if all goes to plan, this is going to be a very exciting time ahead for Virgin Galactic shareholders. These experiences that Virgin Galactic are trying to create are so unique and innovative. This really is one of the only stocks that are trying to revolutionize this cutting edge technology. So to invest in a company like Virgin Galactic, it does require a lot of belief to understand that something like this is a possibility in the near future. And of course, just like people didn't see or believe in Tesla when they were once a $2 stock, this is the same principle for Virgin Galactic. First, one must believe that space exploration and tourism is possible and supersonic flight before one can invest in the company to believe that this is really going to become a reality in the future. So for me as an investor, I want my portfolio to be at the forefront of space because I do believe moving forward into the next decade, we are going to see a lot of excitement around the space industry itself, and Virgin Galactic are set to dominate in this territory. And I always want to put my money on top of the best companies out there inside their specified fields. So for me as an investor, I want my portfolio to have a portion in the forefront of the space tourism industry early on. This sector has so much potential moving forward because it is so untouched. I mean, can you imagine how exciting it would be to take a trip to space with your friends and look down from an astronaut's perspective in space and see Mother Nature herself? Now, in order for this company's success, we first need to have great engineers, a great CEO, a great team, and oh boy, do we have that here. As you know from my other videos, guys, I always look at the background of a company, and knowing whether a company has a good CEO is key for the success of the business. The CEO at Virgin Galactic is none other than Michael Colglazier, who used to be the CEO of Disney Park International. And since I used to work for Disneyland Paris back in 2011, I know just how amazing Disney was to work for as a company, which is why I had the time of my life when I worked there. So already I have a huge love and appreciation for this company just based on the fact that Michael Colglazier is the CEO of Virgin Galactic, and he did run inside the Disney company as director for 30 years. Michael took Disney to such extremes of innovation and growth. Now, this company does hold a lot of risk, as I have said, and did unfortunately have a tragedy in 2014 when the VSS Enterprise spaceship test flight crashed due to a human error.
We're learning a lot more tonight about the moments just before and after the explosion of that Virgin Galactic rocket plane 4 days ago over the California desert. While the co-pilot was killed, the pilot was able to get out and survive.
But Virgin Galactic have since been training and pioneering their team to assemble only the best and safest options moving forward, which I believe has now given them a much greater advantage moving into the future, because safety is always on the forefront of their priority after what happened in their past. Please note that I am not a financial advisor, and this video is simply for entertainment purposes only. Make sure that if you are to invest in Virgin Galactic, you do all of your own research and due diligence first. Having said that, I am pleased to let you know that I am a shareholder of Virgin Galactic, and I do actually hold a large portion of them inside my portfolio. They do make up the 5th largest portion inside my portfolio. And why? Because I believe that space is possible for the future, and space tourism is going to be the next biggest thing. As of the time that I'm filming this on the 13th of January, the share price for Virgin Galactic is around $25 to $27, and it has been consolidating here for some time. So we do see any news or catalysts moving forward, we can expect to see a preempt run up in the share price to retest those new highs of about $34 to $38 moving into the next few weeks and months ahead. And of course, we do have Richard Branson himself has announced that he will be doing a new test flight at some point in the first quarter, as I discussed earlier. And once we do see that good news and that catalyst, that is when I really do think that it's going to be a good day for the shareholders of Virgin Galactic. That means we have a potential 30 to 40% upside from the current price it is today, which I think is going to be an absolute winner to hold inside your portfolio, even in the short term. As this company is currently pre-revenue, and once ticket sales do start to become available, this company could be sitting on a gold mine, to say the least. This is a long-term play, and I'll be holding Virgin Galactic for a very long time, because I do see them as a massive future growth company, and I'm going to be holding this company approximately for at least 10 years moving into the future. Well guys, that does make up for today's video. I really do hope that you did enjoy all of the content that I had there to offer and show you. I hope that it has opened your eyes up to the space tourism industry, and of course into the company of Virgin Galactic. Let me know your thoughts on Virgin Galactic. Do write below in the comments, because I do love hearing from each and every one of you. And guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed the video today. If you have learned anything at all, or if you're a shareholder of Virgin Galactic and you think that you have anything that I've missed, then please do let me know in the comments below. I absolutely love hearing from each and every one of you every week. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you would like to get yourself a free shout out to £100 with Trading 212, then just be sure to see my link below in the description. Whatever you do, I hope you have a lovely week ahead, and I look forward to seeing you on my channel for my next video. Ciao, it's time to make some money.